Hello, everybody, to the EB Watch Reviews, the long-awaited review for the teaser I did over a week ago. It's model number 44307. You can see it on the screen. The King Python Men's Edition. Why is that special? Because apparently they have a King Python Women's Edition. But nonetheless, let's get into this. This is a beautiful watch. The Icee blue is, I'm taking that name and adopting it. The Icee blue with the dark blue. Look at this. This movement here, even this here moves. These move. This is spectacular. Of course, we have function pushers for this Z60 movement. It's a Swiss movement. Very interesting. And with the Swiss logo, Invicta logo as well. Once again, there's another feature that is barely noticed on here. Look at this. We have a bolt-esque affair that wraps around. Not to mention the dial in itself with the day of the week and the date. Beautiful design and 50mm watch. We'll get into the specs here shortly behind me. But once again, I love the touch that they did on the clasp with the gold to match the gold up here. And yes, I've already went down and sized it for me. I'll be wearing this today and next week, next month. I have them for life. I wear them for life. But again, another reason why I hate the Invictas, I have to keep buying because they keep making these extraordinary pieces. These timepieces are timeless, in my opinion. Case size for everybody on podcasts, 50mm. Stainless steel case, bezel stainless steel, bezel colors, the gold, light blue, which is the Icee blue, screw down crown, mineral crystal, not their, what do they call that? The flash fusion, I forget all the time. Metal, Swiss movement, Z60, quartz, water resistant, up to 200 meters. And notice here, tone, dark blue, ice blue, length 210mm, size 33.5mm. That's the band. Now, what else do you need to see? Up close and personal. Look, day of the week, date of the month. And of course, this is on the back sides. So again, this is the markup, and the markup does no justice. That turns into this. What a beautiful watch, in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. There's nothing to be said about the back side because it's the same. There's no difference. Just what they show on screen is the same on the back side. And I started, let's get the function pushers moving. Let's get this moving a little bit here. Let's see, here we go. Let's get it moving. The second hand, get it going. Start the chronograph. It's very simple, illuminated at night. It does light up. I have checked it out just so you guys could see it yourself. Unfortunately, I don't have that view, but nonetheless, and yes, the bezel does rotate. All right. I don't know why you would use this as a dive watch, but nonetheless, you can put it in water without fear. I'll give you a little story. I was in St. Martin one time and I had on a Bolt Zeus. And so I went swimming. People were appalled. Hey, your watch, you're gonna get it wet. I said, I know. And they were like surprised that I had no stress. And needless to say, after I got out, and it's still ticking years later, never any water inside of it, just so you know. So again, I've heard stories where people have said this, but again, why I hate Invictas. Stylish, beautiful, different. And so what if they cost $200, $150 or less? Who cares if they're this beautiful? Some of you would say, well, how much did this cost? Well, I'll tell you this, I got it at Invicta stores. So now notice the reset that I'm about to do now. And I got it at Invicta stores. So what do you guys think I paid for it? It wasn't no 500. It wasn't 400. It wasn't 300. It wasn't 200. That's right. It was not even $200, ladies and gentlemen. If somebody told you they could buy this beautiful watch that you see on the screen for $150, would you do it? And then it comes in this newly designed case. I love the old boxes, I have to admit, but I also like these newly designed cases that just come up. They saved on a lot. I wished Invicta would actually start loading up where you can log into a website for Invicta and put in what models you own, and that way keep a track and a track record so it's in their database. So when people sell these, that would be awesome. Some sort of tracking by the company like they used to do. But once again, you guys can see here in the background, awesome watch. I'll even go into some of the features, 50 millimeters, 200 millimeters of water resistance, and Swiss quartz. There's nothing more I can say. Invicta just keeps making me buy more watches because I hate them so much. And with all that said, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you on the next one.